The family of a man found in a backyard in PRP with serious injuries is demanding answers tonight.
He died days after the incident. Jamie Mays spoke to his loved ones tonight. And Jamie, they want to know what happened, right?
Vic, Ricky, police tell us the man was found with blunt force injuries but have not revealed how he got them. His family tells me they just want to know what led to this loss. Martina Rawlings wants answers after she says her son, 26-year-old Carlos Wilson Jr., was beaten and died days later. She says she's not sure who hurt him or how he ended up in the hospital, leaving her family with several unanswered questions.
I can't look my baby in the eye and tell him what happened to his brother. I can't look her in the eye. I don't know. I'm sitting here telling people I don't know. It made me feel less of a mother.
LMPD says on March 23rd, they were called to a neighborhood on Gerald Avenue south of Greenwood Road. Police believe Wilson was jumping fences, and investigators say he ended up in a backyard with blunt force injuries. He was rushed to the hospital, where Rawlings says he was unconscious and on a ventilator.
He had bruises, and like knots, scratches. You can tell somebody did something to him.
He died 5 days later.
It just doesn't make sense to us. He was a good person. He was loved by many. He wasn't no one to go bothering people.
No matter the color of your skin, everybody's loved. Everybody belongs somewhere. He wasn't just somebody that was trying to break into homes or whatever y'all made up about him. He was loved. He has a home.
Councilwoman Tammy Hawkins says this incident raises concerns for her.
I'm truly concerned about why he was beaten. Even if he did walk in somebody's backyard.
Rawlings says she wants justice for her son and more transparency from police.
It's not the news's job to tell me what's going on. It's the detectives on the case's job to at least allow the family the respect of knowing what's taking place. We knew nothing.
LMPD's homicide unit is investigating and says all parties have been accounted for. The case is being reviewed by the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office for their review and recommendations on charges, if any. Live in the newsroom, I'm Jamie Mays, WLKY News.